This 2013 Triple ERV Regency Triple EM29T is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Triple ERV is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features air conditioning, slide-out, oven, microwave, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV, LP detector, awning, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2013 Triple ERV Regency Triple EM29T is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a V-10 Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.